again, I don't agree completely with her. I think that, of course, you have to have a media literacy, but at the same time, you have to know very well what contemporary art is in order to understand the new media art as well. But at the same time, I agree with her that without media literacy, it can be hard to understand some of the works that I will show you in the next slides. Okay. Um, I still think that it can be an interesting challenge. Now I will talk very shortly about the work that I tried to do in Arcom. I curated these sections called Expanded Box in 2009 and 2010. The expanded box exists since I think 10 years. It was started thanks to La Agencia, which is this venture in Madrid, who works as a mediator, as a technological mediator in between art institutions and new media art. And I think it's quite an interesting framework that did a lot for new media art into the art field. I came so at the end of this process when the framework was already started and running quite well. And I was lucky enough to do it for 2 years, so to start a real process, a real work that was not done just once. This is the selection for the first year in 2009. I think you find out some names you know. Here you can see some other works. Most of the pictures are about the installation I prefer, and probably the one I was able to work on much deeper. That is the installation by ubermorgan.com. It was the first setup of the whole trilogy, e-commerce trilogy, including Google Will It Itself, Amazon Noir, and The Sound of eBay. And as you can see from these two images, and so from the one in the previous page, it was an installation that tried to almost completely avoid technology in the way it was set up. Okay. I will run to the next year installation just to show you a couple of pieces. Here again you see Hans Morgan in front of a big Raphael Lozano Emmer piece. And this year I think that the most interesting setup was done by jodi.org, which was, here you can see some frames, which was really able to translate to the audience of an art fair the kind of work they are doing online, setting up an installation in progress, including performances. They involved some people of Project Technology who went around wearing this V for Vengeance mask around the art fair.